Hello everybody, and welcome to this informative tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to create impressive presentations in GeoVisual. Let's start by clicking the presentation button in the sidebar. Here, you'll see an overview of all the existing presentations within your project. Currently, we don't have any, so let's change that by selecting New. Feel free to name your presentation as you wish, but remember, the title can only contain letters and numbers. Once you've named it, simply hit Create. This action opens up the presentation timeline, conveniently located at the bottom of the screen. Should you wish to return, just hit the back button to close this timeline. Now, our newly created presentation is visible in the presentation selection area. We can either reopen it or remove it from there. Let's reopen it for now. Next, we'll add a new clip using the plus icon. Think of these clips as individual slides within your presentation. By default, a clip involves a moving camera. This feature automatically generates a smooth camera path between a designated starting point and an end point. Navigate to the scenery you wish to present. Then, hover over your start preview. Click Edit Start to set your current view as the starting point. Notice how the thumbnail changes to your current perspective. Proceed to navigate to your desired endpoint within the viewport. Hover over the endpoint thumbnail and click Edit End. Now, hit Play Clip to preview the camera path you've established. The pace of this playback is a bit too fast to present the captivating river scenery to clients. So let's modify the speed of this clip. You can achieve this by typing in the desired duration or simply dragging your mouse over it while holding down the left mouse key. Play the clip again. This adjusted duration works much better with this extensive camera path. Now, we'd like to make a slight adjustment to our starting point. While we could navigate there via the viewport, it might not match the exact starting point we've already set. Fortunately, we can hover over the start thumbnail and click Jump to Start. This instantly places us precisely at the starting point. After making a minor adjustment, we're setting this as our new starting point. Of course, the same Jump to option is available for the clip's endpoint. Let's add another clip to our presentation to explore various clip possibilities. As you'll notice, this clip is automatically named Clip 2. However, feel free to give each clip a custom name. For the next clip, we're selecting Freeze Frame. Since this doesn't involve a moving camera, there's only one thumbnail for both the starting and end points. Position yourself at a desirable view and simply set it as the next clip. With multiple clips now at our disposal, we can easily reorder them using the arrow buttons to suit our preferences. Furthermore, removing a clip is as simple as clicking the X icon. Now, let's delve into additional animations. We're choosing Daytime. This provides the flexibility to set a date, starting time, and end time for this animation. Let's play this clip to see how it looks. So far, we've primarily used the Play Clip button and specific clip settings. Now, let's focus on aspects that impact the entire presentation. Click on the Play Presentation button. This action sequentially plays every clip within your presentation, following the timeline order. The clip that's currently active in our playback is highlighted. If you want to end the playback before it's completed, simply hit the button again. Should you wish to conceal the entire presentation timeline, just click this button. Lastly, you can export your presentation as a video. This export option supports PNG sequences, MP4, and AVI formats. I'll opt for an MP4, as it provides a video that's watchable without further work. Upon clicking, an Explorer window opens, allowing you to choose a folder for the video output. Once you've done that, your entire presentation will play back slightly slower, and the resulting video will be saved. Please refrain from interrupting this process, as it could potentially damage the video file. Depending on the length of your presentation, the export might take some time. However, you can observe its progress in real time. Now, you've successfully mastered the art of creating presentations within GeoVisual and exporting them as videos. Whatever you'd like to communicate to your clients, you now possess the tools to do so effectively. Thanks for joining me, and see you again soon. Happy visualizing!